My dad was a race car driver. Since the moment I was born, I've been at racetracks, and the sound of race car engines actually makes me sleepy because I grew up taking naps at the racetrack. And then I took an automotive service technology class in high school, and it kind of started there, and I fell in love with it. I almost went to school to be a technician, just an automotive mechanic, but decided that I wanted that extra step.
Well, our AET program is really unique. There's only a couple in the whole country. So it's a nice mix of kind of the theoretical engineering with the more experimental, hands-on type mechanic work. It's a nice in-between.
I got a job at Standard Motor Products. It's an automotive aftermarket parts company, and it's in Queens, New York City. What I will be doing there is they have parts that are sent in that have maybe malfunctioned or need to be tested in some way, and I'll reevaluate and figure out what went wrong with the part. So I'm excited to kind of put what I've learned into action. It's good to say that once I graduate here, I have been able to use the things that I've learned at State to move on and be successful. The hands-on aspect is a huge part of it. My first class that I ever took that was automotive engineering was the 132 class. That's actually where we take apart and put back together these engines behind me. And that's just a great first experience to have. You learn every part of the engine. So I restarted the Society of Automotive Engineers my sophomore year. That was a really great experience because I felt like when I started doing that, I started to get to know more the school and my professors and the other kids in my program, and kind of bringing them all together to form this club was a really great experience. They have a lot of professional development. We've gone on tons of field trips, such as Chip Ganassi and Don Schumacher. We are actually just started this year the Formula SAE Collegiate Design Competition, which is a worldwide competition, but the students are going to learn all sorts of CAD modeling. We have to completely manufacture a Formula One car that's a third of the size to fit the students. The students will be the drivers, they will be the engineers, they will be the marketers. So it gives you a well-rounded experience in every form of motorsports. Christina Lawyer has been a great help to me. She is one of those professors that will send me information about jobs or how to negotiate pay without me even asking her, and that's been a really great support for me.
Kendall always just did what she wanted, and I mean that in a good way. I think in any program, AET or not, it really takes a lot of grit to be successful in college, right? You'll have setbacks, you'll have times when you feel you're not doing well enough, but you have to push through. I think any program, it takes a lot of grit. Kendall definitely has a lot of that.
Women in STEM professions is something I've been a part of since my freshman year. We always do a big conference in the spring. We bring in about 150 high school girls, have them participate in different workshops that are always hosted by student organizations in the College of Technology. They get to experience a bunch of different careers that they maybe wouldn't have thought about otherwise. A lot of male-dominated fields, and we bring in professional women in those fields, most of them alumni of ISU, and have them have conversations with the girls, have lunch, and let them ask questions about what it's like being in that field. So it's a great experience for them in terms of just opening their eyes to the possibilities. My name is Kendall, and I am fueled by blue.